there is God. Sure. He is a critical thinker. Abraham Ben Moshe. Common sense family. All right. Okay, yeah. He was born a Muslim, but you know that he's the vision. Footballer, and so I need to call player Christian. As Antonina Titi, you know, on the mission. On a swap, trophy set on your politician. Indiana, you're different, Rabbi, and the Pastor Lee. As I'm not happy, you can Kaya only competition. Or Saika Casa, who will be BT Bengali. When you go on Israel, beat our occupation. That's it, I can't help this them to be, you know. Or don't put it in final home, so you know the ball. The more you hit, God, the left arm, so you know. You better stop, because I'm faithful over here anymore. If you get to know what's in sorry, 9 branches. That's not on your papa tie the tie and Brucey. Mr. Brabona, you will be our free choices. It's the Muntina Sia, Master, and your moon coming. When you got no ati, being a no punches. As of what time the papa said was every chances. At the end of the day, and you know, you the fact is, the prayer back will be open, can be justice. One would know pneumonia, Masuna, Muti, make a gas for and your mamma, you get a Piano, my son, for through the Yapo, and Lucas, to maybe a and Moshe, only size, and Moshe, oversize, and Moshe, only size, and Moshe, oversize. Okay, on Kuan or Taylor, sorry. Big ups to P Black, Yahuda, and brother James. Mr. Moswama, sorry. Only to attain just 3 any other names. Emma Train or say Obewari. You know, we sing in Emma 8. You see the games. Opamuko Shimo Cavalry. Akoya the airborne. Mukunu Cry is still the rain. And every dream, know your Christoni. New Jerusalem, synagogue of the Yahshua. Over faith, say you make a need when you can't sign so blended tree. Any part to one. Do what don't do one. I'm no move to the movie. It's answer what kind of crazy, what better than mafia. What you do, what you did, the hunting, what you need. Or some of the Nasentina, or Campanacula. Who piano preaching what he says, I feel with Chanabo. But you took your so moving, if you have a fight you. I say, Ghana, I am party, Chantinuya. Yo, I wish I for Chiamo. Mama mungina akwaba na madamu ngina ase mama mungina akwaba madamu ngina ase say my delay time na kakra mo fenche me say na yenua base scout e wo live nti na me mpese me distract no pa cha wo bape na wa share video no e de amaye menim say na 31st ebi be call out ni ade nti na mpese me lesson ne ntem na obi atie bi na ye de bobra ti mama mungina akwaba risky bella me hu na na kwaku me hu Pacha Obape wa share video na we invite friends na yesua de ya reader GH me hu nyina mamu nyina akwaba Ghana for mpanyimfo police for soldier for mpanyimfo minuanom especially mo outsider mo follow movement no medamu nyina ase mo send contribution for TV program mo send links mo friend my advice medamu nyina ase any mo we announcement we quick P Black se me kan kire mo say mo amoba no twɛn ni bro nyade P Black say meji mi bro nyade sa toy na oji ni bro nyade no P Black o se otwɛn mo ti mefa akwanya iso na mende mabo P Black abaso wayade pa wayade CSF nipa de oyade a osayeyi third eye me hu ya P Black wayade papa mane Yahuda almost sacrifice your life for the past 3 years we said then I started Facebook live umutumi nya adwuma minti omonko ahokyere wokom ni nyina no mudi machi ti P Black omuso mbeso mu ni ti bra begina na mu ni na kwa fast P Black no ye producer ntine no tere kire ya ti eja CSF mo ti CSF ya mo beloved son ono enie ya mo bano ayade papa ya ti P Black trase mo bano ayade papa enye ni pe bia na obetumi ayesa enye ni pe bia na obetumi ayesa ti he is very loyal no credit okay ye He's sincere, he's loyal. One thing I'm a pair on the whole year. P Black is somebody who listens, and that is all. Yeah, my training, my tia and kasa. Yeah, no, you're very dull. No, you're very dull. My tia no, my tia and kasa. Be crowd video mo. Now is for the greater good. I wanted to bring out the best in him. Every good leader, there was secret in leadership. Every good leader must learn how to hate the people he loves. Even you beat your children because you love them, not because you hate them. The end of the day, I feel like the P Black ase, the Yahuda ase, and then the driver set. Be biara wa around me. Wa boa me, wa mami futu. Me damu ina ase. Yeah, P Black, he deserve award. Men Adam. Yeah, me nipa yebi. Akwenye me fa akwenye so na me ameba Jet Li so Madonna say for almost 7 years on me anante. I was say yesuani hu say woni nipa nam na montemu tete you're not enemies. E be duru baby baby ami movie akono Jet si on to me mfa me nko ho a ebufo bi anim. So who say Jet kra eye video bi na ne bu ofumi a in his own mind no he thought he was defending his God. Ntia metenase who say sofo bi ye Facebook live no didi mi atemo a video no ye ne nyesa ompema sem or ye video simply because na adwin ne say or kwama Jesus ananyankopon nti ende dey nyameba Jet Li bebia wo bia no da wase what sacrifice your life almost 7 years of your life one menante okom ahokyere amane na one menenam enne na ye need the same place me mfa no ho na me maunda ne me enemy your WhatsApp still send me message. We are not enemies. Ti medam nyina ase obi biara chale me ne wanante medam nyina ase obi bia we ase let's learn how to be sincere. We ase we yemfa nko bia discount na prempe me das wate discount me das papa bone Kofi Adomo wani medam wase pa e wo de moaye de aboa me ene girl we love na nefo aboahema na nefo ya medase na nefo me da wo so ase pa ya me Facebook wife no na nefo medase pa be ma na wenya na nefo no hwe ni ye wenya yire me ka kire wenya yire. That girl was an amazing girl. Yeah, she's amazing. Me Facebook and me wono me kire we futu asa age ne de mame na nefo love na nefo aboahema any charity love me nya friends bi on social media any charity love any daachi hema Portia any Manye Koko any Pamela Brown any Risky Bella CSF ladies no medam nyina ase any woni pa bi Jeffrey any me old executives no sister na we Wadada any Zach any DJ Fuad the old executives no mo boa me papa especially Wadada yeah on the Drew baby na on me cast to me tell me nyina because he wanted to bring out the best in me and say yentemu atete kra we are not enemies still ibinum send me message am me advice ne ade nti bedamu nyina ase CSF obi biara a wa share me video obi biara a wa like me wa live why pacho madam pacho me we am pacho why but me can pacho why obi biara wa send me video why bibi medam nyina ase why medam ase Ghana phone pay for mo frɛ ade ba ko pɛ na me hia sɛ mumwa wa mentumi ambo din so fetch me card GH smiley darling Tiero mo ye bebre kojo dankwa defeat abubasa kojo Barcelona mo je bebre mentumi bo mo nyina mo din ha jena police ene ni mo doso na the king ono che miska first me started Facebook live na the king ono che miska 200 Ghana me started Facebook live no say no baby awoko no oko good place na owo ya 200 Ghana no bi che bia chepa anti medam nyina ase Variety Night Social Media Awards no and then the last day 3 categories no me na me lady ti medam nyina ase menim say ba means ade na afa wi ti obo ade adomo a ye ba US live ye ba be mo award no so on dey kire ya medam ase obi biara any head top ra wo Dubai team no ne obi bia madam wase madam nyina ase and 31st oh Collins kwabna oh so dem bo nyina mudi a me nya lesson no ti madam nyina ase pa cho ba pe share video no na like page na mami why madam wase na mo killers me no be pese me bo mudi ti ba ko fe no bright na ba ko so ye fe no ankrato madam wase for the support, for the love, for the encouragement, for the advice. Duru baby kromo frɛ Abraham oya oka we wan kan yi ya kan say obi biam madam nyina ase and then yaba and then 31st and then cocoa season for the pastors. By this time I saw for the share one corner omo atwam notebook ten omo ato omo coat omo shoe no ma polish omo shoe na no ten say tea bread no I saw for the shoe so for bi obe wura so dem ohu ni shoe na no a 45 minutes and some body ni be pie 22 bless yeah also ka squad no so for bi on the shoe na no ten nti so for no opie free gate na no na ohu shoe na no a agese wugina ho 45 minutes and some body be pie omo na omo asi omo anu anne omo beji nti enne no wa be call all night let me no any problem call all night me mo ati ase say 31st night is not a special day and a different day. It is just an ordinary day. A normal day to say 1st January. A ordinary day to say 3rd July. A ordinary day. Into bedru new year say ya. And they say after 31st no afina every year ya defend new year resolution. Ni abet last year na me ya de bi me nya biom. Hey please it doesn't exist. People do not change. Everybody is a unique soul. You can't change. You are who you are. But the only thing you can do is to control a particular bad habit. With your control, you enjoy. Obia ye unique. Said the what is I not here. To me, will be say may foul na sound. No. That's why when you meet people, you study their character. When you like, you move on with them. When you can't, you say bye-bye, then you go your separate ways. To me, it's a sound will be a you can't change people. You can't change people. Every crusade I say or accept Jesus as my personal savior. Every crusade I accept Jesus as my Lord and personal savior. You can't change people. People do not change. But you can build a wall around a particular character. And as we grow, no, your genes, no, nipa your machine. As we grow naturally, certain characters, free. Tebi otu me ka say ebra misano enyi gene no necessary it starts with the brain nti good say new year resolutions good boni bi anim but you have to stick to it ade bi o ma ka kire mo say it is very difficult but it is achievable. It is difficult but achievable. Den so be ka say me sesa but you can do it consistently when you train the brain. Who train the brain na obetumi aye. And before I met to us on your product, no, C24/7 anti-aging any way open form for inflammable because it contains anti-aging. A organic food supplement from the #1 premium herbal company in the world. I found the Nature's Way, United States company no our existence for the past 50 years. Any Akoshe Japan product in any your back find restore life and on Oprah Winfrey when Baba so ya bofra because of anti-aging. And on me looking fresh. This year, next year, I may call 40 years. But 40. But look at my face. We were 39, may call 40. But my face say I'm 23, 24. I take very good care of myself. Wow. Now me sure me blend the ameno mo be dwane. Nema me blend the ameno no. Nti be sramo. Yan hwe hu yi. 120 Ghana. And I wait there universal. And I'm here no practicals trem nra no. Only demonstration obi abetunya fedi we kuta 16,000 nutrients 16,000 nutrients any we have a complete phyto energizer we are the friend of the heart we have a Vida Max friend of the heart prevent any form of cardiovascular disease your product no organic product Nature's will be so be US organic farm product no organic farm and kasa I have almost product no. Any what my choco no. I am the full box no natural. Say natural. It contain DHA. Ye cocoa Ghana cocoa ya no mudi ayi. And no mudi complete phytoenergizer ni bi egum eno ma san so di DHA no ewe ye brain him but nyema ye di no free radicals ene toxic ekwe mu no ema never down enti offer eboa emonya more DHA for retentive memory ema we very smart and intelligent enti abofra woni mu ade penyini a ne refi ade eni full box no 80 Ghana pe ene what the living coffee no de ye no ye were 2 types of coffee na we wiase ye were Arabica coffee and Robusta coffee ba ko na wa bonte na eno ye Robusta Arabica coffee Ethiopia pe na wo eno mo de aye coffee no eno mo de 16,000 nutrients ne gum so you take your coffee then chale unya wa hoden. The next one emi quantum pendant from Apostle Joseph for radiation ye phone ye use television no ne light ne ade ne ha adwen eni tie no so eboai anti open so papa no Paradise Park mineral water baby jet nsuo no na feminine wash ni feminine wash no esamboa ma eni efu ntentem wo de ewutiri mu a prevent dandruff eni na ema no for infection oba ase kama na when so emema de ni eboa ma yebema nya hoden kama na eboa ema embema so enlarge kakra na eboa bema na pempemu epa unya bo hair wo de yepe ebefu kama e de amount your products we bring any we your friend no energy any for the phone wo de better leave phone echi technology any wo de better leave phone echi for radiation madam nyina ase na me football na me ye me pamochew maka kire mo next year me ye ntotoye me ni DJ fu ade be planning into June July ye be your first program for underground artists no ye be audition na ya select ya na ye nya be 50 na 60 na ya show na ye invite mpanyimfo na omaba na actually ye hu the next step e be boa young talent anti the media starting on a football console ye nua be ma third eye be da se pa third eye ato ne safre agent ya mo beti yen kan e pese ye hwe na etumi pia 2 or 3 boys eboa 2 or 3 boys bi na mutumi to kwan na eja amoso efie nkwan ye de na ye de forming academy ankasa na ye de boa young talent into be so boa me football team na no afre me number no me number no TP Black Jena reply message or reply ya can reply message in the P Black na or producer jumedie no producer P Black ti bo me number no patro bi ntap me number no mamwa nti ye to aso ende me African way wa wo hia bi no me designer no owo Kumasi Kumasi a pamade atu ofra no mama mabo third eye me da se pa on person me boni din your former Black Star players ni bi on person me boni din third eye me da se pa no support ne wo love me da se wona junior brother me da mu nyina ase okay and then a football kakra em say base scout no kasa dipa bibra kasa me pa mo chew I am proud of myself in this movement say we have enlightened a lot of people you be no okra me starting no mu didi matem and then we now realize no say me kwa asoli mpo a e wo say me fa Avram de ne kakra na me de kwa asoli me srawo afia ye be kom no obeye wu nkremoni a ye wu nkremoni obeye wu kristoni a ye wu kristoni na emom de bia me ka kire wo say ma adwen no enya adwuma. Think of what you can do for your nation and not what your nation can do for you. Me pamoy na chew the best start no yenye good citizens number 1 the media start no yenye very very good citizens. Wow, am I yen twen yeah scratch Michael me say am I yen twen na ye leaders no embe ye bibi se ka kwan e na say e wo area wa ebusua ka kwan no potholes abeda mu fie nim ho ekoso accident ment na won twen na sabe o man panyini embe fele potholes no area kofo no munya one leader won area wo de opa ya wo hu area leader now the call house to house any omon kasa na mon fele potholes no mama yensua se de be prevent situation obi etu amene bi amna na nipa netu no rainy season ba beduru amna na wetu no wanye fence bia abofra betumi atom abofra na ewu quickly for nipa ne attention onye adibo odebe prevent ya ebe save situation no e ma ye nhwe na obi nwu ansa area ye wo no ebi kretumi te wona pipe drinking water na pipe na paya drinking water no gusa na area for ni na te ho ensuo ne betene sa treated water a obi otie kurase ponya bi nom na yesene sa ne yetwen say assembly ne be da bi quickly obetunya frɛ plumber bi na plumber na say plumber for na ye plumber bi na plumber na behwɛ plumber ne behwɛ say 100 Ghana po na wutua you are a good citizen. The pamochao yen focusing on training our children at home and children with you know for training mofra yen children mofra ne cleanliness yen children mofra no se no bedi omhuni yen children mofra no se de ye kasa yen children mofra no se de ye ben nipa won because ye man no ye nya da agent tete won wo ba sori anopape na wo si onko dwale pam na okọ school akoda ne bebe fie 3 o'clock akoda ne ba 3 o'clock a on treno amamre bia o abofra ne ba 3 o'clock pe na wo si onko di agro kakra akoda ne ba pe no wo si onko dwale no ma na aduane yedi odidi wie pe na wakoye homework enti eye school obroni nyansa na ye de tete yamba na wakotena TV ho TV susu a African culture bi no tien starting for ye kurom kasa etete yamba no yen kire yamba no yamamre yen kire yamba no how to behave yen sua se de ewo mu a ye de yamba no ebeko ye kurom na yakakra too much yakakra especially ye free no off no me mani no bi anko mi kurom da enti this na sie besi na se no o se nkodai me di omu ko mu kurom esa ye mani yera ya wo ye mani nyina di omu egu akra ye mfo mu ko mu kurom ye ko ye kurom a ye main panyimfo ye mbisa ya bakosem ye mbisa ya mamre ye mbisa setete no na ye nananom omosom nyankopon sen ekura mi free sui ya mamre ne sen ye ti wo hefa ede ne ye tete no ye wo abofra sen ye ye to abofra ne din ende ye to bedin rough ya amamre bi anim ye mbisa amamre ne mfentete ye ma no okay ye nsue the culture of maintenance stadium ye si organ ha ye dia ye nsue nyansa sase ye ko stadium one with all due respect ye ko stadium one ebe na kire se wakotena stadium one seat na ewo wenim no the next seat na wenim no fa wo nan si so wow government property ye dia ye ntiti niam na yie wow stadium ye nhwe ne yie ade bi ye oman ne dia no ye ka kwan dustbina ewo area no wo menko wia odwun awon tiase obi oho okọ baby no okọ plastic chair me birthday ye party kakra na wa bedidi na obi ba no de bag yaba na wasesa nsa de egum ye omukọ no na ba kwa tam plastic chair ba ko otidom na ode kọ so mo amukọ eyi ase ne party ase ekọ wiewia ntre any plate no 2019 me pa chaw suenyansa ne jaisa life no obi yase wensu nyansa wo kobia ntre ade obi kokowia Guinness bottle no akoton Guinness bottle na ya nu weye ebrade train dade we woko sakumo no kwane so a train line no you obi no hom kotwitwa dade no makoton it doesn't make sense won ade bia ye de no ya hwe ade no yie ana de to so biom no se mesramo ya ma adwene nya dwuma mo Bible no hwem na kan wokọ asole stela koso na kan Bible no eya o na ode ho e na so be gie di say obi tena asase so aye frɛ no Adam e no nya 930 years ya minia we ube kire ma kire wo basen obi tena asase so enya 930 e da niko prostu no say wo gidi pan say obi tena asase so enya 930 dia. And yet, with all due respect, you are sick in your foolish brain. Everything on this planet, I want a lifespan. Tortoise, I want a lifespan. Elephant, I want a lifespan. Free Adam abraso and society. No book, no catch now say. Obit na asasi so. Onya 600 years. And no starting say obubo boat. Noah this 600 years. And obubo boat. Na 600 years no. Hey, na ahodi men onya ya. The human gene, our genes, cannot even exceed 300 or 400 years. To be permitted, Uji we dear, please. Now Uji say, "Wawobi kasa wobukumwa." It doesn't make sense. To Mesramu, religious books, no. Your omu free religion mukra, free mukra. Any omu guso cheke. Ye be koso educate mo na ya kyerɛkyerɛ mo loophole se be kyerɛ se book ni mfiri nyankopɔn na ayi obi ayi obi e na akopɛ corner baby e na wakɔ akote won e na watchro book e de abreye the African concept of God is much greater than the God in the Bible and the God in the Quran. The African concept of God is far greater than the God in religion. Good. Said the Nasantifu Bunyankopon one. Said the Dagati Gonja Mampurisi the Gumba Fu Kunu Yankopon one. And yes, Anna, religion, the Bible. No. The God in religion is limited. Nyankopon ni wure to me fiade. Nyankopon obi ne kai. No. No, ntia ya tia santefo. Said omo bo Nyankopon amamre no. Omo bo ne manane no. Wow, henti misramu a. Afia ye besi mu yema adwen no enye dwuma papa. Enye dwuma papa. Enro meka bebre kira mu. Memo bi mbedada so wenya ne owufo. Yem bisa questions. Mo amwaka ensole nim no. Mo bisa question. Bebre from Mr. Abraham. Ye wo CSF, but asole ne ye question. Mr. Abraham, you will see yourself. Even if you bisa question, me say, ube bisa question, ma ye be pamu efi aso dem wo. Omo concept of God na ye great eye enkranfo. Omo frɛ Nyankopɔn ata na nyumo. Mother, father, supreme being no, or your mother and the father. But religion everybody say or ye male pe. There be so the active force na to me free no both male and female na the female part no na abodi na free no spirituality side no me person me call no ye higher teaching no kwami gusu amesua de the female part no na ade na free no wow nti ensem why ti ma listening ma kakra bi wow me te say prophet Nigel we nya ne ogufo we are the church member na ogbo nsemu a. With all due respect, you are not a fool, but one dream ye. With all due respect, one dream ye. Say, Musia saw them ho. Woman, me we. I'm a church members, ekoja we ye. Who kunu we, ye koja we ye. So for the Koranasi, we, emokosieno. More one yedibe two. When him say, when we had of war, ye pamochow. Arohosema bane say, sofu penny, nasi ewu, enti, asolimba, ye koja. Sofo ye ko ja sofo eyiye kese eye na ase ena mokọ sofo na ase na yiye sofo na ntumi enyane na ase no ena okoto efurudaka 5000 ena odi kosie na ase mo wa so dem woda kora ambulance ye besi wo se ye de owufo bi aba ye de owufo ni wura so dem wa sofo se wenyane no na wo bo nsemu a wagimi kakra. With all due respect, the new term in town is with all due respect. The only thing I would do is I will force my generation to think. Hey, what cause software? Nasu eye. Emma software crack your handkerchief and also a year nasi. Say nasi you. Sebi prebiasa. Software ya. Omuko sebi. With all due respect, software. Omo one second you kunu. Ewa na asole whatever. Ada na software ni nkonyane no. Tema software ngo. Bishop obi ni mo ni tema. Hwe me say omo de ya adwene diagro enra me kan sembi na sansem we me repeat me nua dwene me nua me ndidi matam me pa che odwene wati sa o ma me ka kire se kwabena enkran ya wu kwai hwe wo yie na ma wa adwene ya adwuma o ma me ndidi watam wati wa kwa asole be 6 years wa kwa asole 7 years debi adanse si wa so demo muna mo ye members dada no mumu nya dance die ni bio na adanse a eyehu adanse a emu oduru apache a osole nante onifrenia na ni bie eye new member a wo bie nim no eno na dwene ho ne ye bisa no mami wa bahada dabi mami me ne wakasada dabi bi black ye be start mami be pacho uni mo baby dabi mbacho wa bahada dabi be pacho kanukure o Waba hada. Okay, mbacha. Why ni sister Dinah?
Sadana. Or you never.
Guniaba. This Sadana way. But all this Sadana. Mebacho. Money made in Comoda. Me patch on them who years soon century. Sister, you will not different. You will not different. And the moon say Jesus Christo. Then century. Said you what and run or sad because see that. And then move a 1 century. Not so for be any fray near me. Nay, the new shim. Yes, when they were your wasma, I lele, now solid cosibia, minia, 1 green ye. So from the one green dear grow. So for the year, now I catch them one can say, oh, Yanko Pom fan the bois, one ton and tem, na Yanko Pomre and the brepa, Yanko Pom Guswayan century, and I watch a channel cacrancacra. Now, mammy, what can cut Bible now? Bible is here, Drew baby, or Yanko Pom Kai, Sarah. Mammy, mensu, Yanko Pom cow. Once I would know or Chimwamam. I'm one who say Yabut and Yanko Pom or cow. God will not remember you if you do not remember yourself. Remind yourself that you've been a fool in the church for far too long. Stop going to the church. The money box challenge. From 1st January, Obian per money box. From 1st January, they say per money box. Natural home, my pastor or my prophet. Now there, every Wednesday. Now the 100 Ghana too. Faniswa to oil. A woman Friday, no fancy work all night. Now the 40 Ghana too. Sunday. Now the tight yegum. Janessa. All your papa box on home my girlfriend. Fanisa your girl. A woman wa fanisa or some maniska, no fenity. Now the 100 Ghana too. Now why you say wa fro so be pizza. Na for pizza sketum. What the yanen kakra. Mercy a French chaba. Now the other 6 months na be so na we obebonsi obebonsi amencha obi o send ode ne money box sika me dey kira se mun bi sa so for the question mon tata so for the question obi money box
first let me tell me tight offering na the more pastors no she chale o is box no a teacher we started 2 months 2 weeks in you Charlie and we finish baba and say box that my teacher let me be so where I go in that class for the Charlie with the life and I go with you every day going to my piano in that now common sense for me in that now no size you continue I is soon with that now oh virgin could Charlie
or started 2 weeks 2 months 2 weeks when you scared to the rent make us at home my girlfriend just a man girlfriend and so girlfriend who no girlfriend or bad person while and I would dating problem being by myself for money box now yet to say or baby I would dating and I say was soft for a woman is now dear share I feel back where we you to me pamachow more young soon could get to then me catch them you to know yen susu said yeni yo get to life no eye day get to life eye day sabe akwese akohwibra life bi eye day susu ko club o ko club too much enye de bia na ko club o de bia wo ji wani enye de bia na ji yeni ominia let us be serious for once sua savings ya jumaden chilling ne tso chilling ne so minia mesrawo once our abofra be wiase this year pe target said this year me to asase o dia fanesa me last year me ka se me toka me kura nkoda nine every day me de me ma I'm proud of my kids they be ameka me kura nkola nine na me se me toka ne so me ka cho me se me kotoka no say agro na wudi o yan se ma be pa me se me ka na si won until this year me di BBS me say this year I was saying me moving my brother to the next step. My life will never be the same. No, and you saw them. And you wanna be determined what to do, and then you work towards it. And it's simple as ABC. Just determine, plan what to do, work towards it. Afiwe meto asase. Ampa, we ye jumaden, we ye focus. Money box ya make kra we ye wadia. Money box ni sika obetu di ato. Say asase kra ye sen. asase omo to asase yesen quarter plot okra wato bi bon focus bibi opeso ye na fi we ment na ho don't lead your life anyhow obi ote ho oni plan bia for na abrabo no ogbo no plan bia nim ote ho keke odidi na wanom na wada na wasole na wakotena ghetto na wahye na wadidi na wada na wakotena club na wahye na watwishisha na wanom tramo na onam na ka abono na akwato hospital na wayale na onko hospital wa drug store na ono anda ne doctor na ono akwakire durope na wanom na ni kidney asai tim na wawu na yesie no na amanfo akobro asa na brabo bo wi ase no lead a life with purpose. Some people are leading their lives and the creator he's even shocked he created them. You see, some people lead their lives and even Satan is surprised. Say Satan to quote to say, now aqua will pardon the hand. Satan is even amazed. Whoa, and then we catch him say, lead a life that your kids, your children, and your parents will be proud of you. But bra, sauma ameno papati ho. No more share your banner, they will clap. And we can say, yes, that's my child. Every my friend me ba Barikisu, my firstborn, na me tunefo. Me na kasa ye kwa next year. Na me say Barikisu. Are you proud of me? No say da. Me nam na me nkrofo humia. No mo say bin mo hye ne ba na ekọ no. Ye bi mu ye ya me de but dodo na bi okọ me kọtọ ade a me bo wudin pe ye nji misika. Drivers ni bi e bi o me bo wudin a omo nji misika. Nti I'm proud of you. Na me say Barikisu. Won so bobra na me nso me nya proud of you. Sram youth no. What talent now what they are dodging no. Don't hide your talent. What talent now what they are dodging. Cause artist be a or she ghetto. 7 or TV base. And now what rap you base one wadani area champion. There be come out. Oh to see a yeah reality show be call audition call yeah drop next year call. May the video be to a check guy be a way. Zab Mallet drop on akwe me you won there Zab Mallet drop on say oh Master Zab today too I say no today there I no go Master Zab for dance man you drop me the other day too you drop me Master Zab I dey beg you this one here. That's the kind of people I love. When friends na one place opinion bo no the TV onye you be on bo but oye djuma bi nton fa nye na djuma minia aduma che de bia wo bia no se one man mountain na nipa ehu a come out seek help and then crofo nkasa wunshira eni nyankopon semu wunshira the success your success is in somebody's hands ajibu share obi eti in life keep asking keep searching. And you education no na bema weduma yo e connection okay say wo credentials no certificate yanton am avon got certificate e connection there you have to get connected to people to look for connections, look for people who can help you. Man, and my school and I'm university 7 years me grade no krenye easy. Don't be proud of your certificate. Your certificate doesn't pay bills. Look for connections. When take it time, who could have a university degree no? University after your masters, what if you now will be a work connection where we JHS ye the Juma Kesiaman. Timesram is ya wild. Bra Wasiman Crawford Brafom. And then I'll say ene when you be our relationship mu when you be our business mu when you be obibia montnas na monkasa oh na mon create resolutions for the next year mu betumi ato aso a monto aso montumi nto aso a munyai afiwei a ye besim no 2019 ya pamochaw emema na sebe mo ne ma ne tie mo hwe ma no ene ade no ba cho munyai oni oba atia e so tumi support oba no oba de obisa wade a e se wo ma no emema na ye control ma emema na ye tiatia ma no ye nyai wo ya de bitia wo partner na wapane chew na one na kasa mbetumi amwa in life enye obi a be meet ni bia na we say moto aso till the end of the world there be we meet people they go nipa na we dating and then enye nkwa na we dating no ena wo nso enye nkwa ene obi a ono so nye obi a nkwa na we dating no we meet people we live but in terms tetia we are not enemies mon kasa wow be bia di for what you mistake atum mo try enye yi a mo amontra se abrofo dating na efe enye yi a na omo akasa na omo separate they become friends me pamochaw was force bi ani obi am force so na mo akasa p black ti we girls be brebe na p black ono well anti na ma solve mo differences for next year na ma fa plan and then I was here and you try worry next year na man no the ladies I'm telling you stop looking for love look for happiness the love na telling novella na motion a script no be atro that love doesn't exist Romeo and Juliet were done me patcho be ni wiase it doesn't exist oh she movie na hu odobi some odobi wo movie nim o ko hwe we Titanic Rose ni Jack were done it doesn't exist yo movie modo wa ko hwe yi Marie Cruz ni Rosalinda obi done out one you are expecting it doesn't exist in reality and you will be at a Bible no obi na akope baby ate a natural script a natural movie and what you wanna now in reality you are looking for the same love you won't get it doesn't exist. What is the definition of love? Love is the desire to do good for someone and until now obi adore yasia adore naseno ni yesi show some love chese kona ko wale no anene nkwada don't look for love, look for happiness, look for somebody who makes you happy. You'll be when you are with that person even just a day look for that people. The day that you're not in good mood, go to the person, have fun. So what's your that's how done. I'm in love. This kind of love is what I'm looking for. It doesn't exist. You are deceiving yourself. You are creating an illusion. Into how done. Or you shall bra bobo anye ye. The same word open or Philip war anye ye. The same word open or Chris Bongo anye ye. The same laugh. And all men are the same. Yes. All men will continue to be the same when you, all women, you keep on acting the same way. Simple as ABC. All men are the same. If you look at Danado, does Danado look like John Mama? So, all men are the same. All men are the same. Say, John Mama is now. Net Danado Jan China. Are they the same? Stop looking for that love. And yes, sir, we status no. We be the member terms and be with somebody who makes you happy, not somebody who needs you. No. It doesn't exist. A man a dating one, especially man yes adian. I'm with him status. Or bani percent. Or can't central be man no a status. Munyai and who's book of only about it, a buffo kit webby, not a deal person catch now. No, a copper picture beer and tray be a attempt, not the akoto or bam. Ade, the most annoying thing is to put your personal issues on social media. And then how? And Facebook status na the akoto, oh, my no papa never kind. And then, more conscious life in a way. Addicted to a don't put your feelings there. Debbie. Adi adibatu status biano manenye positive we ya be man also the status e di oba tem dia e dia wo change benku ansan ya san dia share fridge be mo loto be mo ni oba ibufo kitwa bi no akotro status no di oba na tem wo dia wasai change bia wo wiase ko bi pa me di ho yawo oni adwo ibufo kakrai wo dia akoto status when you do a yenjai status at him didie in relationship and moi assemble monka ade amonya ne say when you are dating but your relationship they are serious when you are dating wow emamuma ebuf ade enchi ebufu so you can be angry with each other but settle it before you sleep ebimut butumifu so oba no ni fie be ma no ni fie ebufu aba be ma no online oba no so online be ma no ene ne friends e chat oba ne friends e chat o chat kakra no aba be boss spy no o yese girl no ho na girl no so chat kakra na girl no so be boss spy no which na so eye ego eye pride ba ko nye jimifo keke na on type hello honey so you are here and you are not chatting with me. I know what I did was really bad. You forgive me. I'm sorry. Okay. You know I love you. Oba ne be flex kakra. You like that too much. You like that too much. No what type it. Love no. Wow emoji. Love kakra ka na home pan no. Oh P black oh love na home no. No what type it. Pine. Oh what type it love na we na girl no still o yes stubborn. Now what type it toy na osu no. Oh, in real life you are not crying, but open so bad ni je toy no osu no what type what toy no osu no what type ni bebra e be ban keten type na 11 what type ya tears ni egoyi eno anu no fe so won na kwa na wa frɛ no hello P black hello oh P black ya dia usre oh near 31st adena yesa everyone say hello oh dina also adena ya yesa why bibi kakra na obuafu we ya mintumi na manto boys are coming to me now yes so me na sadia se kwasia People say na dadia se hey we are say hey amani apa ne won relationship we say hey adi asem krania so ti mesramo people like say na dadia sa na den sign 1:30 to 12 na offer apacho ada who kwedi dia na people like na dream you hey we are ready yakopon tim pacho they make na say they be make kira mo say me business ame Alliance Motion Global me cost start no me the 625 Ghana and the cost start they find the seed money say sika no and am dey hwe me mba no emu anam dey atoka etimetumi invest 625 Ghana na sika ne tumi multiplier na me dey atoka me pa chaw me nko so seed wa so them and they will nim na wo ko jira so them and so seed 5,000 me nua me pa chaw you are sick yale o de and 31st afini na wo car wo de kwa asole any car wo so for the ba asole find the kuta the best car hwa wo so for de na yire ne madress na hwe school aso for ne mako na hwe wo ne wo yire ne wo madress na hwe school a wo mako company owner obi to say despite despite ebenye sika chain the members because or the company owner sana asolenete so for it to say company owner and na church members no moye workers product no Jesus simple. Christianity is a business. Jesus is the product. The members are the customers and the pastors and the prophets are the beneficiaries. 2 years 625 Ghana 2 years M Global me na me top number 5 enna in M Global me the top number 5 enna me were 14 account me first account within 2 years sika ma no eko over 2 billion me anya me man nka me ni packet wa me anya national team na enya nkoda 9 no na nkoda no woni sika me ye day na man for type bisa question a day woni sika me one day M Global for the regular na so me sika no kra na nso ti ni lante Osman Nyankopon Shira me apply ono no so me so 25 Ghana me ko register M Global me ko bo bosia 400 Ghana Bradan Nyankopon shira why Bradan boyfriend of Bradan Dan ono bom bosia 400 Ghana na me kura 200 Ghana na yes 600 me through office wo and na Nilante Osman my boss Nyankopon shira o so me so 25 Ghana enie minie me kwatu no M Global by even top 20 NS one count. Tell me say your success is in somebody's hands. Enyam paibo, enyam break loose go. Asamna okoka wa so dem ne no. Waka sa. Asamna okoka ne no. Hey, people at the back keke mechi. Enenumre. 2000 last me catch them de bia say asem we mi nyai ka. Hey, 2016. Who ko gina so ka say 2016. And then 31st night. And then 31st night. Me jaw kwan. 2017. Say it after me. 2017. My life. And the life of my family. And the life of my country. And the life of the people around me will never be the same. Receive it. Amen. Now receive it. 2017. Abrabona nkoyie. 2017 December and also coach now 2017 and then 31st night na me ja okwan and then number ye be 2018 I prophesy upon your life that your life will never be the same. Say I receive it. 2018 and you starting and I'm no kasai and you the expiring date na do no akosi say to on sign. And that's what you. Prayer is not for lazy people. Prayer is for successful people. What can say here for the awesome bompai? Ayomu bibi and a bompai. Lazy man. What's now what fimuning na what's no dim kwasi asem sa. Saving sekura when sebi. Oh ko jina so dem den nwumre. Daddy Jesus. Ani ya nedi ni ye onu we nedi onu we di ye mpon onu we di ye nu mpon obi ani wundi ni ye o abrabo na ewo awodia abrabo eni warabo ye na nam na kan abrabo eni warabo tu no obi da sebre etu nyumbi ebo bibi kremu o cheke wabrabo Bibi kuremu ti check abrabo no. Failure to plan is planning to fail. Failure to plan is planning to fail. You can't keep doing the same thing and expect different results. Daddy, once you do the same thing, you will get the same result. Once I did the same thing, this Abrabona about 2015, 16 and koye, and now we the same thing 16 into 17 and koye. The same thing now in 2017, 18 and koye. Do us up Okacha say, oh, the same thing 19 assassin and koye. Sasa change, put effort, start saving, cut expenses. Expenses not so. It is good, but expenses not so. Obi be bobusia wuni bia mini bi Tommy Redu thank you Tommy Redu dear o hye ne ho akonfo no Yakopon fa ne kransi ma nti mesra mu a say ono partner andro me ka kire mo o man no security bi anim o man ye ni bambo Ghana ye ni bambo with all due respect na nsia say o man panyini vice president no for sade oba the convoy no say accident see o seden president Kofu Abdeso na obi the car abebo the came now America president ba betu the car ben America president yempanyum for do kura ni bambo yempanyum for no wa we see no sound no free suna sambra wa eya wo na what's that problem ti free suna sambra why Eddie free suna sambra why obeba na sound na ba be pamuchao be sramu Ghana president ekronye safe o man nim na memene wo to obi anhwe ne wiye places bi owa enko places bi enko safety first me beach me enko me beach me ko beach ya me ko beach occasion day occasion day na e don go on me ko beach oda unim dwale a ensuo ne nkotom safety first we your motor rider o dia crowd peja motor no raise motor no ebina young talent beautiful talent kwesiata amini ne ho agro video bi ba ya oti motor echi a ye peja on share helmet misramo wo be ye ne wewu pe no obi akwa kosom say Illuminati fo na ewu ne asade akwhye Satan me pa chaw abrabo no wo bo bra ye careful especially who you star hwe wiye who you star you very careful don't joke with your life enye bebia na wo so wo security ade awu ye unim say ade ami ye ebetumi ekome ade na kire wo say wo dom akọ speed we crowd no afei na speed boom ai menua enkwa nyamienu o enkwa enyamienu ne de ba kwadi agro mesraw be very careful with your life mesraw me driver no che si etu kwan okọ kakra pe me set ye focus okọ kakra pe set ye focus okọ kakra pe set ye focus okọ speed pe me set me pa chaw me mpentem hwa wabra boyiye pa wo chaw ne be bia ne yekọ baabi o beko enipa ye so nankasa otumi ema ye warning e baabi ayekọ wo tetene kura no ni awbrade ya to amamra to atwene tetene kura no wo kọ baabi na wo polipe e wo se oye den wo san wechi teteno wo beko baabi wo poli ajesa san wechi wo beko baabi na si hu se no menko menua menko don't go so no onim bibia enti aya so ne maye warning say bibi besi ada na ogbo obi di mpane wegunu no me pa ma chaw be very careful with your life enkwane ya ba akopɛ hwe wadidi yie sa wo mpe exercise start exercise o mpe exercise start exercise mesraw emana mo wo ba akọ no emo obi nka nkyerɛ say owu a wasɛi dabi omotola wawo se 5 o se 4 o se de nso motola gina ho na e ka cho se won wo da wo ba gie di celebrities no bebrawo mienu miensa ade na ga we de bi oye de se mawo ba we ekuapim polo de bi ode ne yefu kire no wawo ba ne yefu kwa cha se won wo da when na ka cho se wo na wasai girls na mo ba no mo wo a eduro kura wonye na ne yefu ne mfi ne to abom na ne yefu aye pampe na ne to aka afam na waye poprotwi enti na be ma no wo no bonso mpa obi because shape na sai shape no hu ye no di bedi wechi no wasai exercise pe belt bo wuyem ko jogging pe duro na no emaye ton bibi duro yi ko omu we duro no anum na ye kama moringa dandi london ni ade yentendidi wo fie yenya duane wo fie na ye di junk food dodo anaka se odi pizza chese odi pizza wo hia wo ba no okuta pizza box okuta pizza obeka se land document okura pizza obeka se asase won krata na bone busei no asa de twa picture no de beto social media so odi bachi ampese ni kontomre a on twa picture da wo benya banchi ampese ni kontomre bacho ne size we pizza ne size no yesu aduane bi dia ye dia flexiama aduane na ba beji dia enya asem a hwedo ya hype iPhone no ama se wo nkura iPhone obeka se wo nya nipa this aye yekuta iPhone me ye dede iPhone me nya iPhone X wie me hu dia me fanye po me hu dia me fanye ope app bi a wunya obe download ya egwe obe chi nwom a ekwe obe ye we ya egwe we ye phone ya hype ade yi wo twa picture kraju ye say now de kire na bem na obi ehun so kra iPhone ye na yesua wanya bi pe che say system no nka ho ede wo hawni the catch out this time men lead life to please anybody live the life that will make you happy simple mathematics abrabo ye wo no ya wo ne wadamfu mavis na kora obetumi ne wa yaka susu say wo bo wo bra wo pese wo impress nkrofo no who do you want to impress ya dia wo beto enye dia manfo beka ya dia wo beto se be mpreduasa obi ni gini bi ho dia wo ya wo pe no no say girl bi aye short video bi a enkofo dey status o say ntu nja gimie no o dey Infinix ene itel no ene we eko 2019 ene iPhone ya dia no so kire ya no so kire ya dia no so kire. Don't judge people by the way they dress. Don't judge people by the type of phone they use. Judge them by their account balance. Obi kuta iPhone. Bundle kura oboro. Obi su kura yam. Kwa chake credit eguso. Ya two no kura too much. Ya two no dodo. Ya two no kura too much. Adiyan two no kura na. Oba so ye successful ya dan ya wesi mi fie nie enye phone na wukra your liability and your asset enye car wutwi ya dan ya wesi ya tumi sidan ne atron in memory of Avram bin Moshe, in memory of Pakwesi Indu, in memory of so and so when car ayatron in memory of that car ne atron in memory of enye japade susu sa o de car range no ne Benz no de Flex no enye japade to me free one sat anytime edan asase ne dan edan ni bu edan ne jatom na ehekra asase ne da ho menye smart madam fubo yi won phone okura besu wato asase be 10 me apply ba ko o asase be 10 and what turning in a bush. I say, American. That Kakrana area when they develop, na maton heavy money, now they are business. Nyansa. The phone na me live video no. Any iPhone no. Wait. Infinix one. Infinix zero. Come and see picture quality. Come and see picture quality. Get yaka ne ho na me iPhone X eno de odi ko nso ase. Are you a fish? O ko twa picture wo swimming pool na se wo ya nam. Are you an opoku or apata or tilapia? Say iPhone, honey, buy me iPhone. That one you can take it and you can use it to take picture under the sea. Are you a tuna or anapata or anopoku? Hey, baby, we are see any baby druni. You could trap picture will swasi. What can the touch rema? What can say the yeti and aso? Hey, hey, generation man, Yabetomi. Hey. 10 years time to come here. I wonder how this universe will look like. Hey, no, some per se, chile hoya ble. And will be a type of Abuaji da course as my water. Hey, moo. I feel where the challenge, Nidia near Kono, mainly do a brabo to FM please your beer. Jadia Omobato. Who be a war, who nibia, would nibi abrabono, in levels. Ndrameka banks and wasam, your banks and Saint Ghana phone paying for your banks, no, Moncharamunian to 2 years, Skenio, who cois capra wunya, Skenio, men's go the Asemia, Yamu Biaka copy, said Nam 1, said Moyan Daniel, Samu Jaman Fosika Momu, Yaduma, Yantiasia, Yantechi, Wafani Mwedi, or money. Ye diagro. We are joking in this country. They also want to say, the plan of the West. The plan of the West. Say, Africa. My Africa is self-sufficient. Africa to me is sustaining. Now Africa, to me yet your no pay enya African Central Bank enya African Monetary Fund na Africa to turn enya me ye na Africa any Africa edidwa na Africa eboa ono a ni inventors te say Apostle Kojo Safo no omo a Africa ho beto no nti ye bebere nti abrofo no te kire ena omu mia ne ma say ye ho nkire won da da bia ya ba bebo bosia GN Bank so na che omo mu te kire no mu mi Africa no enya de ketwa wow ye wona bi okeka wa hakra no abeda ne target bia na ne ya bia no ne ade nyina wow etale ade na chi tinsem pi wo tiempa yinfo ne pamocha wo yesram se bosia kwa no mo begia mo bia nwuma ne nya bi nye ene ye ka no ka akwan ya munye ne yie so me ko Philippines ye kuro ben me ko Philippines ko hwe omo so the same third world country bosia ko hwe de mo ye kuro no ti yesram se bosia mpo na mo be ya mo mfanya tutuye yie munye tutuye yie wow ne nya dwuma nye munye ka akwan papa emma ye ne asu enko ye nim eno no me ka kira mo IMF International Monetary Fund ni ade wow telechire ko kasape benya case si a ti misramu bia nya business small business maka kira mo say Uber wo sika bi da ba bia fa ye Uber to Uber no cars miensa ennan former drivers no 3 years bi a chi no work and pay driver ne fa car no what of foforo in one way or the other who create employment for others and then you are also making money mobile money we be 4 we be 5 open sport we see a pub na man for be pub bia when you skip bia wo de be pub me catch mo cafe boys no munya study wo muskada $1,000 keke wo no bi bu no wo de akwat na club say chale alert yesu 1,000 Ghana wo ni ska man for make you a cafe o Detra na America ni bi etresi obi aba be moa no o detra ensa so mu se twitwe wenye obi papa ebu no wenye obro ni bi ebu no o de me invest ska no na detra obro ni so mfi o metunya track abechi wo Ghana o metunya track aba abechi that's a scammers ni bi na omo connections omo gowo empanyimfo side ni ba bi no na e cover omo detra na de onsa keske bi wetumi ebu obi anya $4,000 $5,000 wetumi amfa anya hwe meskanasa and o yale me catch now wetumi ahit $5,000 ahit $2,000 mpo me mensaka medidi on the tiwa discussion they are really guess nyina guess na baro guess no slay queens no omo de omo adwen na namu o ka say slay queens na jimi slay queens na ye dwuma no omo de nam alert ni su ono na eko sika ne sa se do besi adwane o fra no kra nya de obefa sika nti no obai odo ni do bia ma ko so wo kodi nechi no o tonga nti na akofa wenya tonga ne to awi akola won wo ko sika na sa catch now yeah young boy when sa kiska bi invest the money o brebi wo outside Ghana fani kasa panichao kachen say we follow teachings bia akira wo say jejumaden wo sra no opa omo 2,000 3,000 4,000 5 obetumi a omo sike mu odu on the month sene sike biom na de bebo bra menua na pay business bia wo Ghana bebre tutu kwan akoye stranded e wo outside youth na munyina mu adwenye mu say me kwa abrochira de beye no abrochira nye yizo na obi so oduru abrochira no wanya adwuma obi kwa wa abrochira odi obi pepa e na ye adwuma bosome oni pa de ne pepa ye adwuma no woji hwe de onye obi mo ka akwantuo mu nsem ukwa na ukwa genuinely ko school ni ade ko nye adwuma papa bi ya wodam officer Messi obi oba obi okro oba Antonio man outside the mouth obi so be free UK ba don't want to watch no the back but to watch no UK oduru Ghana ha no fa kantamanto no koto watch no we better to wait watch UK I am saying UK 43 more United Kingdom your friend who sokura husa UK United Kingdom your friend who sokura husa obetua good not the tax are just canning everyone say UK no and oh yes you can do drop and why UK oh just na me bra no UK no the 3 more den and oh ko hwetwi amrofo ni twi no ansa ne nsa kiska wo tia na wo yesani uska wo na wo de akotena club oh yesani uska na de akotena club yesani uska wo de akotena we base wo wahia hia wo hyi so agimi ehie nko a wo nko na ahye now oka say wo fa fie na wesi na wo timgo East Legon no wo betina fi wa kosi da wo fa ni fie na wesi wo East Legon na cars go na wo ti wo no wo fa no o fa plan oba betina Ghana oba pa ba fie o oba pa wo fie o oba ne cars wo nya ntwi bi obo to dem man fa nwa dwene na nya ntotoye so my uncle house one can so wo ma pebre bi na bo obra en wala bo ya wo mede ena me ya wo yade yo mimi abusuani bia me to mensa ebe som mimi mebusuafo kra mi nim bebre mebusuafo mi nim omotro mu ndru tre mimi me mfa mani ntu obi aso abrabom nyankopɔ di aboa wabusuani baako ekopi aburochire wabusuani bia yeyi ampa chaw capitalize on that ebusuani na fa build your life. Say any panokra we need damage so no betumi ewu at any time. And then how yama ho. Tina Bible no kra ka say eno me nka do ne ho to nipa so no. E dey ntia because nipa na de ne ho ato no so no betumi ewu. Na case die. What do you trust of benya hwe? Man ki say we can take me so at the word. No who. Now we say before be ko fi Ghana dey akwa outside dey easy one. O broni no ba ni kuro mo person be da ne bed no. Nti proceed ya be famous we duru ko no. Hey. Money now, mo be kwa so nso money now. New trick bi aba. Eno na guy ne ye no set radio se den. Sa so for no kwafe ne sen. So for no bum crofo no kwafe sen. Atonton se mi na. Money new trick aba. Wo kwa so still atie. Me kira so for trick aba. Wo kwa obeka so be so we nya bridge bi afa ho. Na so ye bibi ma. Enti de di ka be ka kira say 2,000 Ghana no nya de bi ma 1,000 Ghana o 2,000 Ghana ni hwia na waka kire o say so koto oil bi na oil no ba ko ye 100 Ghana obe kire oil no eno wo bosheba and you say police aban ede ne court na ye prosecute no no kodem be ye 1,000 years with hard labor na so for nka di sue nyansa sa so for bosheba no kromfo mu kromfo enyo no nko a o ene omo aka na ejom no obi an expose om tuntumi mbodi a kromfo nko a minimobi a oye brade asofoi chale mu bu nipo radio so radio se TV eno say wo a wo pe bibi hyehyehye within 1 week send 500 Ghana bra. Who send 500 Ghana the pet friend no sure the obey. Boy be send 500 or friend so for the trade the obey 1 week and them. Boy le call so for no so kojini sika na so for my police ache no. Kromfo ni mum ama police ache guy. It is so for make say 2,000 we dey catch 1,000. No aka say oil bi koto oil no. Ba ko ye 100 Ghana. Koto oil no ba ko 500 Ghana. O de ka 1,000 wa aye 1,500. O ba no aka kire say ade no aka another oil bi. Na o ma wo number bi frɛ number no because our oil no a secret oil. Only porton oil no. So for the guy na your connection. Now what frɛ number na ya ka kire say oil no you were 2,000 Ghana. You were 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 up to 7,000. It's the now pay. Go back at you, not see 2,000. Now what's our koto oil? Color be color, your blue, your green, your oil. Your oil being so oil no be no red, blue, colors. Only when so with the go. color ensuo no mo de ye no efunu nsuo efunu dead body ne nsuo hwe me nua awurade hwe de bia me kan one day people will remember me na me ka me kire efunu nsuo omoni mo kire manfo na connection because ye embami efunu na omo hye funu na omo nsuo be mo di hye funu no ns divide nsuo ne sa bi so bi oni na wakoto oil ni 2000 80,005 plus 2000 sen aye 3005 no aka cho se ko na koda na abeso dai two numbers 1 week dai number obeka se twen ebeba 2 weeks waka cho se dai nti dai no so na so dai no enyo no so for no beba abeso dai na ma we are no asaka cho so nya simi na de bedwale na okokra na loto no mane mbaya obegina so krasa de ebu aka ho so okona loto no mane mba no kase na ofi abeyifo omwemia na emim enti owo semina bi eno ye 1005 eno na papa ne be ka say ya je 7000 no ya nje 7001 no because oka 7001 na wunya to agene kakra we ode ye nipa 50 na sofo no ekoto Rolls Royce a e ma nya wama ti ho catch us say that God you see in the Bible, that God you see in religion doesn't exist. Ye dinidin bebu onyomo hwe ye dinidin ebebu ye nyomo hwe Jesus din ye dibu amanfo Jesus ayedin no wote wo you Abraham, if you do not stop, Jesus will strike you. Now say, Jesus will be your best striker now. Uncle start here so for no mudi ni boy pono. Hey, ya akwada wasma na ose wonko. Any abofro ose meko no akodi scan. P black. Enkwada me yenu wasma baako se dada me nko. Baako se dada meko eno no akodi scan. Wan ye bo no. Joko yo kodi scan na ni we. Enti me no Jesus afra me se me nyini ni. Enti me nko. Any software Jesus asoma no so obekwa odi Jesus dindin kwase ase kwan ye boro enti Jesus will be strike anyame because men wa frame me se me ma enti Jesus will power omuna omu agia to so be na adwuma no mu di ni din boepo ewi amanfo yire no omu na so okobo omu anyame me kura na mu di ni dindin kwase ase me sa bom pressure se mu ni mu se mu Jesus kura wo ba bi a ye se kwahwe obon sem se Abraham, they are doing a good job. Tell them. Religion, a course divisional. Young guy, if you outside Ghana, by young guy, yaba. Girl, I was again every school or the Ghana connecting training. Guy, ni a Muslim. But bedru Ghana or be wale Ghana. Ghana so for say guy ni a Muslim tie nyi religion. Say kremoni echia. Ochia assalamu alaikum. Peace be unto you. Christo ni chiawa asumdwie nkan. Jew ni echiawa eye shalom alekehem. Every religion ninchia a peace. But religion doesn't bring peace but bring confusion and division. Religion papem first no na yetumi kodidi wo wefie na ye nyina akọ na yakodidi wo wefie na ye nyina akọ first no 80 me hu kakra tamakom 5 ye didi wo fie na yakodidi wo ebo fie last stop na ye mimi fie na mamia katuo na ye nyina di and religion ti Pentecost ni kura mpesa ne ba eba kodidi wo SD ni fie SD ni mpesa ne ba eba kodidi wo Rome ni fie because SD ni wi preko Pentecost ni wi preko ne ba no ko ba wi preko so anko ho enne Kristo ni man kremoni ade a Islam kire se aboa no e wo se nkremoni ne kuno ntu nkremoni tumeji aduane wa kwakoto agu Kristo din so nkremoni bre na biane a o se nkremofo mu ku abiane na wo kan west bi west na mo kegu aboa no so no kire se o ma chante aboa no enti wa wudi kura wa nhwa no wadane apache wa nhwa no wadane kotere no so akoto religion mi Abraham nkremoni ma me amedi Kristo no di ba amedi busum aduane medi because me free minded busum no kura mi se me menye correct mi nkremoni ma medi Kristo di ba be black bese intensi be black si intensi to the babom religion division na Jude mwawu na Jude mwawu na Jude mwawu there mo better verses papa na wo ba de hu Yesu no en wo ba de ka se metumi so na tade mu nko a se me so na tade mu a moje tumi ne betwa enti enanyumbre ye ba be so Yesu mu ne ye so Yesu atade mu ne ya ka kire Yesu se papa Yesu yi se nanyumbre we nhira ye ma wo nko se de Jacob out kire bofo no bu bofo this week because mal hey be black best Malaki Mika Anarwa and Malaki. Hey! Bible ne say Jacob ebo bofo ema bofo no osui. Search man. Hey! Number 2 enye moti an yebo no. Eh moti. Ya hwe Jacob ya ni Awurade bedi ntenta say Awurade enhyira me ame we enhyira me ame nko na obe so ochem se Nyankopon nim nyansa so be hyira ah ya ma me kwa yesa market no ada Nyankopon nim nyansa o Bible ne kura say Nyankopon nim de ehia answer wo bisa the concept of prayer. The Christians want to tell me say prayer changes the mind of God. Say shebre se safwe se same shebre yi mami o in the first place why na ma wo shebre no enti onu Nyankopon ma wo shebre na wo ka chen se on sesa wo shebre ma wo a wo be so ka kire onu Nyankopon se wo nim nyansa e na ma wo nkwase ya shebre enti on sesa ne ma. You are telling me you are even wiser than your God. Nonsense. There is nothing called shebre. It is your decision, your action, your thoughts and your words that determines your future. Future be any maybe can't catch them. Say future be future then life is like a movie and we are here to fulfill a written script. In a movie, kwaku menu analenwin and robber movie mu amepacho in the movie ye movie na pacho police chi na be ye be black police chi na be ye enye ye because a script na yatro and or acting as an armed robber. To catch him say Friday be shebre na ye wu obi a ye won shebra and even you don't need to preach so be sakra because armed robber no e ne shebre ashawoni no e ne shebre slave queen no e ne shebre di okuku nipa no e ne shebre Nyankopon na shebre enti munya preaching no obi amone bra. It is decision, action, your words, your thoughts, your attitude, your behavior, how you address issues, and it determines the future. Well, if you decide to sleep, you know what you reap. If you put in hard work, you know what you reap. It's simple. It's simple. The universe, a law. To every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. To every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. Amen. Tiana nanu kura no munim sa ne makura ka say otu buo ban a esan ba wo awoso otu buo ebo ban a esan ba wo ankasa woso enti abrabo no The only be shame no and when a universe never more answer. The universe is like a calculator. Your behavior, your thoughts, your action, your words, your deeds. As I said, the whole numbers, you get the same answer. Until 2018, the law of the universe. This has nothing to do with religion. It has nothing to do with Satan. It has nothing to do and let Mukoshu to Bansam. It is the greatest form of stupidity, undisputed. The greatest form of stupidity, undisputed, shooting Satan. Messi ane dia Bansam wewu. Ena be yifu ena nyumrei. Ena nyumrei. Ewe Yesu dimu. Ye betwitu. Ye betwi spiritual gun. Obi anye ni sase. Obi anye ni sase. Obi jawo sase. De be keke de bechi. Ena nyumrei. Abefo mo mi fi. Abefo mo mi ma mi fi. Abefo mi papa fi. Mo de mo be wiase. Mo fi abefo nko na mo ne mo fight. Iyabo utuo pe. Tipacho last year bullet no. Before no mini bullet na no chest bullet no. Last year shoot ya shoot to Bonsam. Na mo amoye mesre kwa mam eya mokoto aba ekohwe Bonsam no. Go akoto aba akohwe Bonsam. Bonsam no gina wechi timba no kura obetitiw kon nyina. Wa akoto aba no so akoto no aso dem. So for na yire na fa plan. And they saw them. Who saw for the Abba, say, Bonsam. Now, so for the 50 Ghana, paper for the police. Say, well, one robbery. Daylight robbery. For the police, for you boom, Abrabo about this year. The call biscuit one worker. Can you say this year, one cassa we year to this year? Can you say we year to one chrono wabo? Krono wa bona fi akojina saw them say if you abeyifo amoma menwo nonsense na so fa catch us say abeyifo eyi wuwu mbare no ko sunsum wiase akwa akoma wumbu foforo wujina say koli gebe na dafo kwa asole na so for the catch gebe akwa say abeyifo yi wumbu. And I don't catch and say, then last week I am abortion. Then the woman I'm being saying, get an enemy way you want to weigh you woman. In the margin diagro, woman now. Sram, I'm a chow. A dear son, a bot 12, a boy, a dear chin, 1st January. And Sassare, we see can a walk or bank account to and one of them. So for be catcher say, or not to be bomb pie and Miss Kaku for bank account to more. So for be catcher say now saw them or and mobile money begu so awoboa or no one or yet trick no more for quite so edge my back number and I saw for no a man a boys in the back. I saw for the crowd when ye said and the boys no. I saw for crowd of when ye said boys no. Boys some no boy pono. Oh, now so a problem say ya. Me nim sadi almost la. Say your debt or no musra was a casha no musra. Say poor clear no musra. No monim tum no mochi o monim ko no munsechi aye black o monim tum mochi ko Fanta face Coca-Cola body obi be dia dance ya ye man nipa no crate be say na dem beti nsemo obi be dia dance ya ye man nipa no na dance de kra me dio but no so father ba who was so a dance dey pie we kire ho we dey do twem so for mommy a dance ya say o free time for working na never no so oba na ni mobile money sika cost 70 pesos ye bon price esi ya no ye urade aye abeyufo nkru dia abeyufo Reverend Bofo me tu chama why oh no boys we are more Someone say mo pelo kure o me bu na me say ne me so twu mu times off for the bejo one city kura waje hey so for be also no ya one service no nya 20,000 Ghana waboka 200 million waboka also ye one service no nya 20,000 Ghana waboka me catch now me P Black Yahuda CSF afi we are proud of ourselves said ye tea P Black what the bush of fa na P Black the bush of fa na nya hwe na yan ni pebis to say yan yetumi enlighten even educated people we are proud of ourselves na me ka me chiro ye yan hwe no bi mbo ya baso ye ni meduma yan me energy amanfo eturobu ye chiro hwemeni I still look young me ho nkyere me me nyale ade body bi antom there is good energy around us there ba ko pena me de to muni number na wo ho no ene ye pin no momwa na next year yetumi nkoye TV program sremo momwa enya 240 million old currency ya ebeso enya 3 months per with TV so a na ebinum abom pese omre omo sponsor program na after 3 months no program na nkasa ebetua ne hoka the pen say you be enlighten you no. This is what I was sent to do and I must do it. My number is 0244 85 6241. Me nkasa bebre andra me kan kasa ni nyina asofo ne jiwo mode mpanyimfo jiwo mode ebia nyumbre ba chile last days are dangerous me pobia chawo chill but don't freeze last days are dangerous. Ope so ko chile ya. Woni wo girlfriend, wo girl na ope no. Woni monpe hotel bi. Dim ko buku mu one room. Hotel de nim ho, sport na ho no montena ho. Monnom de mo be no. Mo wiye pe mon fro soro ho, dim mon konkoda. Dim on pe problem ade mo benum bia no mon kwoto de mo benum no emfa mehye fridge mon num wodam ho mon mo nyum mon di mu nkomo na mon na asa men ko bia problem beba o last days are dangerous obi ntie futuo kwasie bi bewu anadwi be se kwasie bi ebewu 2019 na jese edru last day o kojimiu. Last days are dangerous. Edamu nyina se CSF 2019 ebehwe de ebesi why on said the nkasa bebre ya behu de ebesi no ase toto nema mon support mon eno pe ne esrem edamu nyina se ebia mo ba bi ko ene ade ntina ye ba ntem no why anadwi eso yebebo ye mpaye na eja yasra na nanom oma ya hode ye fa nya adwuma no ti menya da age na ma monitor sofo no ye twen nkwasi ya prophecies no ye twen omo mbewu na asi ya sofo ne mfemra why empanyufo bewu sofo ejimia Shatawale ene ewura 2019 mo no wow we sofo na so nsu anyansa na be jimia mo amu be gumu nwani mu asasa wale ene ewura 2019 na sa sofo ko se Shatawale kwaye track man special track for that foolish prophet we oye Shatawale ko kana ho a ye beka se woni suban damu nyina ase afi mu aboa CSF mu aboa damu ase eye bibi nso na ankoyi a mu fenkyeye ye kakase bi weni anye ho a mu fenkyeye why damu ase mo bia mo apese ofre no me rest kakranti enwumbre from 8 9 ekono Ghana time 8 9 10 ekono wo apese ofre na wa frɛ me da mo nyina ase mbɛboa yɛ TV program no mbɛboa yɛ football team no wo apese oboa footballs jerseys ni ade no mo mbɛboa why ya kinana me ho nana abna me ho ya Louis me ho ya Derek Frimpong 22 bless ya me number no 0244856241 me da mo nyina ase na intumi rest kakra atwe na anya dwuma body ni bre me da mo ase why me da mo nyina ase why yawoda wo ho edwuma semti na mo ntene nka no why me da mo nyina ase why me da mo ase why mo say how many in dollars TV program in dollars no 2,400 in dollars ko be say 24,000 in dollars be say 24,000 in dollars. Abdullah Yusuf check mami why obi so peso ho 24,000 in dollars. Abdullah Yusuf check mami why 22 bless me ho ya na esi edu da akon but I say Derek Young oh mepeke ufra mepeke enya me why David Apia but am nyina ase why ya Kwabena Pino ya Prince Kofi me ho ya Wida GH Daniel Awe me ho ya Mario me ho ya Kenana me ho ya Obrempong me ho Westmoreland yeah that's it why yeah risky baby Bella $3,000 almost $3,000 yeah $3,000 yeah and we got $3,000 and 24,000 divided by if I say 5 4,800 yeah $4,800 why yeah we say 3,000 euros why yeah na munyina ase na masi bebre bye yeah na munyina ase and the kata me ho Eddie Kofi yeah Ellen ya oh okay midino wa ope midini ye Abraham Ali Ibrahim yeah Helena ya Abraham Ali Ibrahim and our ID card so Abraham Ali Ibrahim why Adam nyina ase Adamasi bebre Adamasi why bye